Good morning friends. Today we learn about TS of Rectum from B.SC. third year class, paper number 2nd, Mammalian Histology. Large intestine mainly divided into 3 segments. First colon, second rectum, and third is anal canal. Histology of rectum is similar to the rest of large intestine with its usual structure such as mucosa layer, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa layer. Let us start with mucosa layer. The mucosa layer formed by single columnar epithelial cells. We can observe in this diagram these epithelial cells are single columnar ciliated epithelium which is folded, forms straight gland in the epithelial cells. These epithelium forms 2 types of cells, mucous cells and second is brush cells. These mucous cells mainly secretes mucus, and brush cells, these brush cells are absorptive in function. The mucous membrane of the colon has smooth surface as there are no plica circularis or folding. These phyla are absent in the rectum. Long straight tubular gland extend from the surface down through the entire thickness of the mucosa. Here these tubular glands present. This tubular gland is straight and this tubular gland is called as crypts of Libercune. These crypts of Libercune also consist mainly entirely mucus secreting goblet cells are present. In these crypts of Libercune, pent cells, argentapina cells are rarely occurring, and these gland cells entirely mainly consist the goblet cells, that is mucus secreting cells. Mucosa, these mucosa functions as absorption of water by brush cells, and mucus is secreted with the help of mucus cell. Next layer is lamina propria layer. This lamina propria layer mainly consists of connective tissue, elastic fibers. Connective tissue cells are present with blood vessels and lymph vessels are present. Here lymph nodules are present in submucosa layer and lamina propria region. These lymph nodules are present. Next layer is muscularis mucosa layer. This muscularis mucosa layer mainly made up of smooth muscle fibers. These are 2 types. First, inner muscle, it is called as circular muscle. Outer muscle, it is called as longitudinal muscle, and this muscularis mainly functions as conduction of gland secretion. Next layer is submucosa layer. In this submucosa layer, it is loosely arranged connective tissue, contains large blood vessels, nerve fibers, lymphatic tissues are present, and lymph nodules are also present in submucosa layer. Next layer is muscularis externa layer. In this muscularis externa, smooth muscles are present, and these smooth muscles are again forms 2 types, inner circular muscle, outer longitudinal muscles are present in between these two muscles. Here urbex plexus are present. Next layer is serosa layer. This serosa layer is mainly composed of connective tissue and it is outermost incomplete layer because mesothelium covering is absent in this rectum. Mesothelium covering is absent in the serosa layer, so it is called as incomplete serosa layer. Diagnostic features of rectum. Diagnostic features of rectum. This rectum pilca or villa is absent in this rectum villa absent. The epithelium shows smooth surface. Second, lymphatic nodules are present. Lymphatic nodules are present. Third function, serosa is incomplete. Serosa incomplete. Serosa is present in the rectum. And fourth diagnostic feature, crypts of libercules present. Crypts of libercule present in the rectum. In these crypts of libercule only mucous cells are present. Functions of rectum. It is reservoir for feces before excretion. It is most important for water reabsorption as well as play important role in reabsorption of electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, chlorides from the stool, and important role in the defecation process. Thank you.